Welcome to the Journey of Finance, helping you level up in your personal finances. My name is Cedric, and if you're anything like me, you might be wondering how to navigate the world of personal finance. You've heard it said a million times before that you need to have a retirement plan, or budgeting is the key to mastering your spending, or you need to invest in the stock market, whether that's purchasing stocks, mutual funds, or even buying real estate, or even Bitcoin. And you might be thinking to yourself, I know I need to have a plan, but where do I even start? My goal on this channel is to make navigating this journey of personal finance easy to understand, whether you're a beginner or you've been in the game for a long time. That way, you'll be able to make the best decisions for your financial future. So if you're ready to level up in your personal finances, then make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos.